Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to report a lost or stolen Lendingclub card. Now, if your Lendingclub debit card is ever lost or stolen, it's crucial to act quickly to protect your money. Lendingclub makes the reporting process straightforward through both the mobile app and the customer support. Start by opening the Lendingclub mobile app. From the dashboard, go to card section. You're going to see an option to freeze your card instantly, which blocks any new transactions while you sort out the issue. Freezing is the fastest first step, and if you're unsure whether the card is misplaced or truly stolen, just freeze it, and that way you're covered in case it actually is stolen. Now, if you determine that the card is lost or stolen, look for the option to report lost or stolen card. This will automatically deactivate the old card and initiate the process of sending you a replacement card by mail. You will typically receive the new card within 7 to 10 business days. If you don't have app access, you can call Lendingclub's customer service line directly to report the issue. Acting promptly helps to prevent fraudulent charges and ensure that you're back to normal spendings with minimal disruptions. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.